Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the latest beauty products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're looking at the Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette, a smoky, cool-toned eyeshadow palette that promises versatility and a range of finishes from matte nudes to multi-chromatic foils. With 18 shades in total, including a black eye gloss and sparkly blacks and silvers, let's see how it holds up. The Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette features 18 powder eyeshadows, weighing in at 0.59 ounce each, with a total weight of 16.8 grams. The palette boasts a mix of matte, shimmer, and foil finishes, allowing for a wide variety of looks, from soft everyday shades to bold, smoky eyes. Notably, it includes a unique black eye gloss, which is a standout feature for anyone looking to add a bit of edge to their eye makeup. The colors are a blend of cool-toned neutrals and deep, dramatic hues, which should appeal to those who prefer an intense, grungy aesthetic. In terms of testing, the palette is easy to use, and the formula is smooth and blendable. The mattes apply evenly, and the shimmers have a nice payoff with minimal fallout. I really appreciated the versatility of the shades. The multi-chromatic foils especially stood out, giving a rich pop of color and shine when applied. However, the black eye gloss, while interesting, did feel a bit heavy on the eyelids, and I found it was a bit tricky to work with, especially when trying to layer it with other shades. Now let's break it down into some pros and cons. On the positive side, the palette is highly pigmented and the blendability is impressive. The variety of finishes is great for creating both soft and bold looks. The inclusion of the black eye gloss is definitely unique and gives a cool, experimental edge. On the downside, the black gloss can be challenging to work with, especially for beginners. Additionally, while the palette offers a great range of shades, some of the colors may not be universally flattering depending on your skin tone or personal style. When it comes to value for money, the Pretty Grunge palette is priced on the higher end, but you're getting a lot of versatility and quality in return. The pigmentation and smooth texture are comparable to other high-end brands, and the inclusion of unique shades like the black gloss make it stand out in the market. That said, if you're not into grungy, edgy looks, this might not be the best fit for your collection. Compared to other palettes in this price range, the Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette offers a broader range of finishes, including the unique eye gloss, which sets it apart. Some palettes may offer a wide array of warmer shades or simpler matte options, but for those looking for cool-tone, bold, and more experimental shades, this palette delivers. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and feels high-end, with the typical sleek design you'd expect from Huda Beauty. The shadows themselves are long-lasting with a primer though. As mentioned earlier, the black gloss can be a bit tricky to keep intact throughout the day. I didn't have any direct interactions with customer service, but Huda Beauty generally has a solid reputation for customer support. If you run into any issues, you can typically expect quick responses and effective solutions. Is this review useful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that other makeup enthusiasts can find this review too. To sum up, the Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette is an excellent choice for those who love experimenting with cool, edgy looks. It offers a variety of finishes and some truly unique shades, though the black eye gloss might not be for everyone. If you're a fan of grunge-inspired, bold eyeshadows and are looking to add some versatile shades to your collection, this is worth considering. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you're interested in picking up this palette, you'll find the link in the comments box. If you already own it, let me know your thoughts and if you have any tips or tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep experimenting with those grungy looks, because at Beautyistic, we make beauty fun.